Welcome back to the shop. Time for another slideshow. This one is a Hutch cupboard I built for the house. The driving force behind this was a place to store pottery. Pottery we buy from two of our best friends, Jay and Tracy Henderson of Jay and Henderson Artifacts. They're potters. And they do beautiful pieces like this. This is one of theirs. They do 18th century reproductions, custom designs, and designs of their own of this pottery. In fact, the thumbnail for this video, obviously, is one of their pieces. Well, we buy their stuff because we love their stuff, but it started, filling up cabinets. So I built a Hutch cupboard so we could store and display our Jayware. You'll notice at the end of this slideshow, by the way, there's two pictures. One when we put it in the kitchen, and one I just took recently. And it's full. It's full of Jayware. Anyhow, there's a link in the description for Jay Henderson Artifacts. Please go to his website, buy some of their stuff, or order a custom piece. You will not be disappointed. Let's get on with the slideshow and the Hutch cupboard full of Jayware.